Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by mapping the schema, pick the exact columns and a unique ID so records never collide. Create the sheet now, freeze the header row and apply clear formats for dates and currency. Once done, add data validation lists for controlled fields and insert an incremental ID or UUID function to each row. This prevents duplicates and simplifies joins later. Make sure to import any existing CSVs into a separate tab. Then clean obvious issues before proceeding to structure relationships. You now construct the working logic. Create named ranges and use query and filter to build table-like views that update automatically. Apply array formula where repeating calculations are required, and use index match instead of VLOOKUP when you need left-hand joins. Once done, protect key columns and grant edit rights only to trusted users so keys remain stable. Also make a join strategy using the unique ID across tabs, and test with a few sample records to verify aggregated results, and you finalize by automating routine tasks. Write a short app script to import CSVs, export backups, or append form responses on a schedule. Make sure to configure sharing carefully. Give edit rights only when necessary, use protected ranges for formulas, and enable version history. Once done, schedule regular exports and test a restore so you can recover quickly. If something breaks, check version history and the app's script logs first. That single tip often reveals permission or formula errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.